I'm James Spann. This is the morning edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Monday, the 13th of August. The weather is slowly changing today after an incredibly nice weekend, and still feels pretty good this morning. Let's go to some of the Skycam shots around the network at 5 a.m. There's a look at downtown Tuscaloosa. Things are quiet there. Up the road, a look at downtown Fayette. And down to the south, there's a look at the campus of the University of Montevallo, as seen from our Skycam down in Shelby County. All right, got another trough coming in. I mean, this pattern is more like fall here. And you can see more storms blowing up over Arkansas this morning. In fact, that prompted a severe thunderstorm warning just north of Little Rock. That was at 5:12. Huge amount of lightning from those storms. Those are headed toward the Mississippi Delta. A reasonable chance they don't make it to Alabama because look at the precipitable water. That is just dry as a bone. You talk about an anomaly for August. We have dry continental air in place, so gut feeling is that the stuff in Arkansas will fizzle out before reaching us, but still we'll keep an eye on things because slowly but surely moisture levels will come back. Temperatures this morning, again, look at the numbers over East Alabama. Isn't that nice? Gadsden 57, Fort Payne 55 at 5 o'clock. Yeah, man, it feels like fall. But look at Memphis. They've got 78, so you can clearly see how things do change as you go farther west. Severe weather possibilities. The guys at SPC have a slight risk for the Mississippi Delta, Memphis, Paducah, places like that. But again, I just don't think we have an issue here as the storm should weaken and fizzle out. More could develop tonight or tomorrow, but again, I'd say the severe weather prospects are pretty small. And then tomorrow, just the low-end 5% probabilities for a pretty good chunk of Alabama, the better chance way up north. Here's the rain for the next 5 days. This is valid through Friday evening, suggesting rain amounts of about 1 inch. And the bulk of that would be tonight or tomorrow, and then again at the end of the week. In the tropics, you know, this is getting into the core of the hurricane season, and there's just nothing out there. A couple of, weak systems. We got what's left of TD7 across the Caribbean. A little feature in the central Atlantic, but because of the dry air and harsh winds aloft, we don't expect any development. So let's look at modeling. You modeling fans. This is the OZGFS, valid at 1 o'clock this afternoon. Look at that big trough diving in through here. That really does look like fall. Down below that, there's a broad surface low northwest of the state, and again, evidence of maybe some rain trying to slip in here. But let's look at the higher resolution rapid refresh model. The HRRR, this is valid at 22Z. That is 5 o'clock this afternoon, and there's just nothing there. Maybe a few little scattered showers below Tuscaloosa, and that's it. Some showers and storms over Tennessee and Mississippi. So I get the idea the bulk of the day today should be dry. And then tomorrow, the cold front with that feature kind of eases in here, and that would be the day with a chance of scattered showers and storms. Let's check the RPM. This is valid at midnight tonight. Evidence of maybe some activity over northwest Alabama, and then tomorrow morning at 10 o'clock, evidence of showers. So we'll mention a chance of showers and maybe some thunder tonight and tomorrow, but can't promise rain for everybody. And then Wednesday, we should be in drier air. That day looks like a mostly sunny day. High should be close to 90. Thursday looks relatively dry as well, so these 2 days look mostly dry. But then at the end of the week, on Friday, again, evidence of another cold front swinging our way. Look at the big upper low north of the Great Lakes. Down below that, the surface boundary approaching Memphis, so we'll bring in a chance of showers and storms. And the front just slowly approaches, and Saturday looks rather unsettled with a chance of showers and storms. And even Sunday, drier air tries to work in here, so maybe from central Alabama north, Sunday will be rain-free. And temperatures for the weekend looking very nice. The GFS is printing 85 Saturday, 87 Sunday. The heat is just a no-show for August so far. And a week from today looks relatively dry. We'll check the end of the forecast, August 28th. Pretty fresh little westerly flow, and that looks relatively calm. And again, no evidence of any tropical mischief out there so far. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes on the blog. Next video here by 3:30 or so today. And don't forget to watch ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 this evening on the live stream or the television side. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.
Weather.